Welcome to the most exciting part of this amazing series. In this series, we are going to be building a one-page website. Yes. Let's build your one-page website together right now, step by step. This is a tutorial. All right, so what you need to do is I'm going to be sharing my screen with you so that you can see what I'm doing, one step order. All right, so this is it right here. This is it right here. This is the obviously this is the sign up page. You would have clicked the Linktree website, sign up. So you pick a platform. The platform that we are currently using is what? The Linktree platform, right? Now the next thing is you click sign up. Now we come here. See what it said. It said choose a Linktree URL for a new Linktree. You can change it later, right? So let's pick a username. Let's say your name is Folake. So let's use Folake. It said the name already exists. So let's use it like this, Folake. Folake. So let's use it like this. Now, that is the username we want to do. You click on continue so that it can load. And right here, the account is currently getting created. Now it says which best describes your goal for using this Linktree. So determine, are you a creator in the sense that do you want to build a following and explore ways to monetize, or it's business, or it's personal? For example, now we can say it is personal. Then we click on personal, right? And then we continue. Say stand out with pro. You and I right now, we are not interested in pro. We just want to explore, right? We just want to explore what this is about. So we continue. So be sure that you read through, because it's very, very important that you read through so that to know what they are talking about. So now we can just continue with free trial. But we are not interested in making payments, right? So we can go back to plans, and then there's a place that I should see here actually. Let me see. Because we are not interested in paying for the pro. Oh. Yes. So you can see right now, go back to plans, and then the reason why I had to do that is because we are not making payments, right? We are not making payments. So we come here to look for the free, and then we click on the free. And we get started with the free. Yes, so we click on get started. And then now you already have your URL. See, copy URL. So this Linktree is connected to a particular Gmail. So you need a Gmail account to create an account, a Linktree account. Can you see? So you continue editing. So now the next thing is for you to do what? Is for you to choose a template. Now there are various templates. As you can see here, there are various templates. So what you basically need to do is what? You need to choose the template that is best for you. So I will choose this particular template. I will choose this particular template for myself. Start with this template. So you can choose anyone, actually. You can choose anyone. So I will use that template. Then what platforms are you on? So now you can add your various platforms to your one page website. Now let's add our Instagram. I will just add my Instagram here. I will add Instagram. I will add WhatsApp. And then I can add my YouTube channel. Then I continue. Then for Instagram, it says, what's my username? My username is the Global Toluwakemi. It says for WhatsApp, what is my WhatsApp contact? My WhatsApp contact is what? I already have it saved here. My YouTube username is TOLComs. And then we continue. You can put any other additional links that you want, and then we just continue. And then see, it is finding my content. That's the beauty of using this. It is finding my content. You will see now, by the time it comes up with it now, it will put all my contents in it. See, new development, welcome to TOLComs, So now, this particular picture here is the picture I used on my YouTube channel. So I can change this display name now. I can change it to Fola K. I can change it to it. Now I can change the description if I want something else. Unknown and doing well. Unknown and doing well. I can put anything I want there. I can rewrite my bio, and I can use AI to rewrite my bio also. Then I just press continue. It says, looking good, your linktree is off to a great start. Continue building. See, now it's about to give me what I did. Then continue building. So when I click on that continue building, it's going to ask me some other questions, some other things that I might want to add. Now, look at this now. Look at this. Now I have a one-page website that contains everything. Now, I can just copy this Linktree link. I can just copy that link, and then I come here to open another browser. I just want to peep it. I want to see how it looks like, right? Now, look at this. Just look at that. So this particular place now, it can contain everything. It can contain the link to my blog, link to my WhatsApp channel, link to everything. And then all I need to do is just share this link with anybody, and the person can just go there and select everything that they want to select. Now, let me show you an example of the one I created yesterday for TOL Academy, right? I created it for TOL Academy. Let me see if I still remember the exact name I use. And then TOL Acad. I think that is it. Okay, so I might need to cross-check to be sure of what I use exactly, which I'm doing right now. You guys can check the group to be sure of the what I use. Yeah, so yeah, it's okay. I didn't had TOL Academy. I didn't have EM. So let me just use it again and see if it will come up with it. Now that's the beauty of using a one-page website. That's the beauty of using a one-page website. That is the beauty of using a one-page website. TOL Academy. That's the beauty of using. Now, look at it. See, TOL Academy. Welcome to TOL Academy. Register, our YouTube channel. Once you click on any of these links, it takes you directly. It takes you directly to what you need to know about, right? So I hope this video was helpful. So you can get started. Go create your own real quick. Go ahead and create your personal one-page website. It is easy to create, fast to create. It saves time. It puts everything that you are doing in one particular place. And I'm very sure that you are going to really, really enjoy having it. All right, so let me know if this video was really helpful to you. Let me know if this video was helpful to you, and feel free to drop a comment if you have any question whatsoever. Please click the like button. Please comment if this video was helpful, and then also subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe to this channel. Till I come your way next time, my name is the Global Tolu Akemi. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.